Now let us check how we can use distinct keyword to get unique values from a table. So now let's start. Let's say this is a table and we have different cities. So first of all, we will try to retrieve unique values from a column city. Let's do it. Select distinct city from customer. By this query, you will be able to get different cities name. Now, what if you want to get the unique values among different columns with the pairs? Now, let's say we want for the name, then we can use first name and last name. By this, we will be able to get the different unique combinations among them. Now, let's say we want to get the distinct count of different cities, unique cities which are there. So what we will do, we will use an aggregator function known as count, and inside it we will put distinct city. Now let us see. So we have almost 4 cities in the database. Now let's say if we want to get different customers which are there in New York City, then what we'll do, we will use distinct keyword with pair of first name and last name, and then we will put where clause with the category where city equal to New York. So we will get distinct users here. Now if we want to sort them out, then what we will do, we will use select distinct city from customer order by city. So this should do. So thanks a lot, and be there to check with the new videos on SQL.